Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to sound like Elmo using ElevenLabs. I was actually searching for an Elmo voice. I did not find one. Don't worry, we'll do it ourselves. So here, I'll leave a link in the description as well. You can try it out. So here, once you're logged in, click on the plus icon next to voices, and you get this option to do an instant voice clone. You just need at least 10 seconds of audio. So just go ahead and click on this one. And I already downloaded audio from this video. Okay. And once this is uploaded, go ahead and make sure you toggle this one on. Remove background noise from audio recordings. Go ahead and click on next. And then we have to just give information, the title, description, the language. Very easy here under voice information. So I just added the name, the description, language value. We're going to choose English. There we go. Make sure you toggle this one on and come and click on Save Voice. Now we're just going to go ahead and click on Generate Speech. And we need some text to go ahead and turn this into an audio file. So I'm going to type in something right here. So we're going to do, "Hi, I'm Elmo. Welcome to Sesame Street." Of course, in Elmo's voice. Now the model, choose 11 multilingual V2. Speed, you can leave it at 1. Elmo's fine. Depending on your character, you should increase or decrease your speed. Okay. Stability, keep it at 50%. You don't want to make it too unstable. That could really ruin the voice. Similar, to keep it about 75%. Unless you're doing really long recordings. Style exaggeration, I'll just keep it at none. Speaker boost, and then generate your speech. And this is what my Elmo sounds like.
Hi, I'm Elmo. Welcome to Sesame Street.
I think that was a pretty good job. What do you think, guys? Check out the link in the description. Let me know if you can do better.